Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see what's inside a Lepton development kit, and I will show you how to connect the development kit to your PC. If you get your hands on one of the Lepton SMD modules, which are Lepton 3, Lepton 7 and the newest Lepton 9, you will receive this object to be integrated in your device. These modules have the same dimensions and form factor of the now end of life Impinj RS1000 and RS500 and are pin-to-pin compatible. If you also take one of our evaluation boards, you will receive the module already soldered on the PCB. In this case, I have a Lepton 7 mounted on the evaluation board that hosts an SMA female antenna connector, 6 I/O LEDs for managing your external peripherals, a Raspberry Pi hat header, and of course the power supply jack. For additional details, read the technical manual. If you are aligned with the CAEN RFID news, you probably heard of the new modules that enhance the Lepton family, which are still based on the Impinj E310, E710 and E910 chip. They are the Lepton 3x1, 7x1 and Lepton 9x1, and they are also available in the x4 version. The main difference between the x1 and x4 is with the number of MMCX antenna connector available to you. Let's have a closer look to a Lepton 9x4 development kit. You will get this plexiglass holder equipped with the module connected to the evaluation board on one side and one circular polarized antenna from CAEN RFID on the other side. You can see a 15-pin Molex collector down here and a multiplexer chip here. For additional details, look at the reader manual. Now open the CAEN RFID Easy Controller program that you have downloaded from our website. Click on Connect button, select the right COM port and write 921600 after the name of the COM port. This is to set the baud rate. Now that we are connected, let's start with an inventory and read some tags. That's it for this video. If you have any question, feel free to contact us or leave a comment. A greeting from CAEN RFID team.